Hi guys, it's Leah. Welcome to my channel. Hope everybody's feeling very well. So for returning subscribers, thank you so much, and any new subscribers, thank you. So today we're talking about Lip Monthly. So I've had this a couple of months and I have to say I do enjoy getting it. I love lipsticks. I probably own about hundreds actually, which is ridiculous because obviously I can't get to wear them all. However, I do like collecting them. My lipstick collection could probably buy a cheap car. Hundreds. So anyway, I digress. Lip Monthly, this is a monthly subscription. As the title suggests, it's prominently lip items that you receive in your bag. Occasionally you will receive a piece of makeup. That can be anywhere between an eyeliner or a little eyeshadow. Don't think I've seen anything else. I was looking online and saw some reviews for January's, which is what we've got. I noticed that the bags are not the same. Now I always assumed that everybody got the same thing, but evidently not, because my bag has got Stephen Laurent in it, which I like. Managing to collect a few of his products between my beauty boxes and subscription boxes, blah blah blah. So I'm now getting a little collection of Steve Laurent. To be fair, I hadn't actually heard of him before until I got my first product, which I think was a highlighter, and I just was in love with the packaging, in love with the product. The highlighter was intense. It's absolutely gorgeous. So anytime I get anything from Steve Laurent, I am in heaven. But I'm the only one that's received so far, well, from the reviews that I actually watched. One of my subscribers decided to use my discount code down below. She's had her first Lip Monthly, so I really hope that she enjoys it. Big shout out to Bella, Bella Buggy Bags, for using my discount code. I don't get paid or anything, but apparently I get 500 points for every referral. I'm not quite sure what I do with it or how I spend it, and I'm not quite sure the discount you get, but there are loads online. So if you don't want to use mine, check discount code out for yourself. I will say delivery is a little bit later compared to everybody else, but there again, you expect that it is coming from the US after all. Right, enough talking. So it literally comes in this bag like this. Great size, fits through your letterbox, so if you're at work on this delivery, you haven't got to sign for it, so you know you're always going to get it. And inside, every month you get a cute little makeup bag that has the Lip Monthly logo on the front. I always think these are quite cute. Very nice. And as I said, you normally get 4 to apparently 7 products. I've never received any more than 4, I don't think. And they are all full-size products, so that is really great. So I've got a little card. This says Happy New Year, January Lip Monthly 2020. Quite nice. They don't do the prices or anything, but in the comments below I will look to see how much all of these are, and I'll put a total down below. Roughly they run about, I think the last couple of times have ran just shy, maybe just over £50. I searched for stuff in sterling rather than dollars. Okay, so as we enter a new year and a new decade, the team at Lip Monthly would like to thank all of you, our loyal subscribers. We look forward to making the coming months and years ahead the best yet. To kick off 2020, we've curated a bag that will keep you shining bright throughout January and beyond. Show us your bag for a chance to win. Enjoy your goodies, Lip Monthly. Okay, so the first product is, this is by Bombshell. Never heard of it before, let me know if you have. This is a lip liner and it's in the colour shade Seduction. So that's the packaging, quite nice, all black. And inside we have a lip pencil. Looks quite pink, goes on okay. Not my shade, would probably not, I mean I might use it in the summertime. It's probably not matte enough for me. And this is the packaging, so it's just a pull up and it is a rolly up thingy-majibby. And It has the make on here, which is called, well, I've forgotten already, good God, Bombshell. So that's product number 1. Product number 2, wow, this is so cute. So this is a lip gloss, it's plastic, it's a little bit cheap looking. I don't know whether they're inspired by Jeffree Star, but no. The brand here is Illuminati. Illuminati, is that how you pronounce it? Illuminati? Doesn't really say anything else. Can't see what colour shade this is either. Let's have a little look. So it's got a nice doe on it, and it's very glittery, quite sparkly. It's got like, it's pink, but it's got like gold tones to it as well, so it's very shiny. Quite like that. Let me bung some on, because I talk about these products but you never actually get to see. Right, let's bung a little bit on. Okay, it's quite subtle actually once it's on. I mean, it's nice, it's gimmicky, but I just find the whole thing quite cheap and nasty, unfortunately. I mean, I get where they're going with it. It's cute, it's different. I don't know, it just, and even the applicator feels quite cheap. Sorry. But I'm true on this channel. I like to say how it is, and I'm sorry if it upsets anybody. Right, next we have a coconut moisturising lip treatment. So it comes in, it's made by South Main. Never heard of them either. Don't know if you guys have. So it comes in a little jar. Ooh, it smells lovely. Let's give it a little go. See whether it's got a waxy texture. It's quite soft. Ooh. I mean, it feels literally like, I have coconut oil at home. I use that a lot. And I just feel like I'm blobbing my finger in a jar of coconut oil, basically. So I like that, and I like that it's a little thingy jibby like that. It's great, and when I do finish it I will actually fill it with coconut oil so that I know it's 100%. It doesn't say whether it's 100% coconut oil, but it certainly tastes like it. So I'm really happy with that, definitely. And then the star of the show, Steve Laurent. Whoa, look at that packaging. How really gorgeous is that? I mean, it's understated, but I love, you know, the white with the rose gold on it. It's gorgeous. So I'm assuming this is a lipstick. This is a velvet matte liquid lipstick. The colour shade is Bestie. So let's have a look. Oh, packaging is really nice. Looks expensive, doesn't it? Very, very nice. Proper nice colour as well. Let's bring a bit of this on my lips. Nice. You can just tell, you know, the quality is outstanding, and compared to this, seems like a nice colour. Just swatchy. That is nice, quite nudie. And on the lips, goes on lovely, smooth and soft. Excuse me, I'm going to cough. Sorry. I wouldn't expect anything less from Steve Laurent. It That is lovely. How it dries down, I do not know. How long it's going to last for. But it looks kind of nice from where I'm standing. So that is everything from Lip Monthly. So I only got 4 products this month. Oh, and I have ordered, they were doing a mystery box. Now I have ordered it, and I ordered it a little while ago, so I'm hoping it's going to turn up any day now. In fact, I was hoping the 2 of them would have come together and I would have done 2 unboxings. And I can't even remember how much I paid. I think it was like 25 quid. And you're supposed to get the value of around about 250. So pretty good value, so I can't wait to do that. So look out for that video if you're interested in beauty unboxing. Hopefully it will come very soon and we can look at it together. Let me know what you thought down below. The lip products, my favourite without a doubt is Steve Laurent. I would definitely use that, and love, 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 love this. These 2 are my favourites. I will try and find out the price of these, and I will leave it somewhere down in the comments for you guys to have a look, see what the value is, and compared to how much you are actually paying for the subscription. I mean, and I will say that the last 2 I've had, you were okay, you know, there was definitely a value there. Right, that's it for now. I keep talking, I'm so sorry. Enjoy your day, and I'll speak to you in the next video. Until then, take care of yourselves. Bye for now. Take care, bye.